Hey guys, this will be video 3 for the Gen 6 for the Corsair. Just got bank 1 head removed and discovered what we're dealing with here. It is a standard bore, which I did anticipate. No, well, let me start at number 1. Number 1 is clearly this is just water that infiltrated. It doesn't look like it ever was running with that in it, because it looks too good in these two cylinders, the condition of the engine, in other words. Number 8, obviously water infiltration, but you can tell that this water sat here a little bit longer. Brief side note, this is some of the general cleaning. Got the block cleaned up. I got the engine on a tilt. It's hard to see the other side, but the other side was the one that was so rusty, and it looks pretty good. So I'll tell you what, I'll cover that when I'm going to do a separate video for bank 2. So looking at the head, this is obviously where are we? This will be number 1 cylinder, number 3, number 5, and number 7, which correlates obviously to what we just saw. And this will tell you pretty much everything you need to know. Anytime I'm assessing a head, one of the first things I do, rubber mallet, obviously, and I just start running through the. Sorry about the camera work. I start running through it and just tapping, and I'm listening for a good tap. This one is the only one that is stuck, and you'll hear the sound is very distinctive. See, it's not moving. What we're hearing here is, as I hit that valve jumps open and then slaps back closed. So this valve right here, this exhaust valve, is frozen up, which is typical. All the exhaust valves in South Florida gets all the salty climate. So I'm going to do a quick run through here and show you the condition of the head. This head's in very good condition, other than that one valve. So. Now, just because it's in good condition and there's just that one valve bad, it's still going to get a complete rebuild. There's no sense in just pulling that one valve, cleaning it up, finding out what's wrong, whether it's warped or just rusted in place. But at this point, and obviously this would clean up very easily. You can see, oh, I'm sorry, I had the camera off. You can see where I just rubbed that a little bit. It would clean up fairly easily, but nonetheless, it'll get a complete rebuild. So I'm going to shut the video down right there, and I'm going to pull the head off of the bank 2, and then I'll be right back with another quick video assessment of this one. Thanks.